because we had a conversation with someone that's going to be helping us, you know, forever investing in ourselves. And on Friday, he actually informed us that a lot of agencies have lost fitness clients because the audience is tired of this. Oh, these are 5 ways to grow your glutes. Yeah. These are 6 steps to get a 6-pack. Like that stuff is just, it's gone now. It's gone. Online coaching is gone. It's advancing. And every year in any industry, every year improvements get made, things improve. I think of it like music, bro. Like people that were rapping in the 90s don't rap the same way now because flows improve, beats get better. Like the audience, what audience like changes. So the same thing applies in this industry too. Like things get better over time. So if you're still getting in front of camera, and you're doing, this is how you can squat. Like
it's basic, bro.
Like it's not cutting through anymore.
No.
So I think a lot of coaches are struggling with that transition though. Yeah. That's why they're not getting clients, because they're struggling, especially organically, to build an audience. Yeah. Because of this transition of a bit more valuetainment, a bit more deeper. When you're just surface level, like it's a struggle, bro. Like, of course. It's a struggle.
Of course. The thing is, it's so simple, right? It's just, you know, the coaches are not laser beam focused on what they need to be. And I always use that word laser beam focused because I got that from The One Thing, and there's a few other books that talk about that, right? But essentially, the first point we always talk about is your niche. And people think they know their niche, or they think that they've done a bit of due diligence on their niche, but they ain't got a fucking clue.